Welcome to our factory floor visualizer. Here, you'll see how a high-performing factory floor is organized. As you explore this interactive tool, hover over any of the small Stratasys logos and click to access a list of helpful resources. These resources provide you with easy access to relevant material like webinars, use cases, blog posts, and more. Dive into how a high-performing additive manufacturing environment operates by visiting all the different areas, including engineering, quality, and final assembly. When you toggle the view, you'll be able to explore the software side of our factory floor. If you want to inquire about any of the sections, select the button at the top right. We hope you enjoy exploring this new tool.